So these are the old village houses with that roof like that, and like this one. And here's a new cat I found. Yeah. See how friendly this one is. She's a little more jittery. Come here. Come here. Come here. So there's all kinds of people who live up here. Old people who walk up that hill. Business people. Business people who walk up the hill. They look like they work in a bank. There's a guy with his cat. Thanks for watching. Nice cat. Nice cat. Is it your cat? Your cat? Come here. She's scared. Oh, nice kitty. Nice kitty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Come here. Nice kitty. Forced to come over. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. There she goes.